Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 6875 starting watt portable gas generator is an impressive machine designed for those who need reliable power in various situations, from home backup during outages to outdoor recreational use. One of its standout features is the electric start capability, which eliminates the hassle of pull starting, making it user-friendly for individuals of all ages. Simply press a button, and you're ready to go. This generator boasts a robust 6,875 starting watts and 5,500 running watts, providing ample power to run essential appliances like refrigerators, sump pumps, and lights during blackouts. The generator is equipped with a durable 410 cubic centimeters OHV engine that not only delivers consistent performance but also ensures longevity and reliability, two critical factors for any generator. In terms of portability, the Generac has a sturdy design with built-in wheels that make it easy to maneuver around your property or to transport for camping trips. The large fuel tank, which holds 7.2 gallons, allows for extended operation up to 11 hours at 50% load, reducing the need for frequent refueling. This is particularly advantageous during extended power outages. Noise levels are a consideration for any generator, and the Generac performs reasonably well in this regard, producing a noise level that is typical for its class. However, users should be aware that it may not be the quietest option on the market. The control panel is well organized, featuring multiple outlets, including 120V household outlets and a 120/240V twist-lock outlet, making it versatile for various applications. Additionally, the built-in hour meter is a helpful tool for maintenance scheduling. Overall, the Generac 6875 starting watt portable gas generator is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a dependable power source. Its combination of power, portability, and ease of use makes it suitable for both home emergency needs and outdoor adventures, ensuring you are never left in the dark.